bam, freaking whole military comes flying in. Get up, get up, get up. I feel like I was back in boot camp.
They're screaming for me to catch up with my team.
Get out there, hurry up.
What team? These little bitches haven't treated me as a team member. So I'm finished with them.
Team of one. Let's go.
Good morning. Now, this morning.
Excuse me, Chef. I have something to say.
Please, Gina.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to be staying here for this challenge. I'm going to be leaving.
You happy to throw the towel in so quickly?
I have some personal issues. Unfortunately, I have to.
I'm not going to stop you. Please, go back up to the dorm, pack your stuff, and leave Hell's Kitchen.
Thank you, Chef.
Man, right on the team challenge. This stupid bitch backs out. Bitch, you gonna back out during a competition? If you can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. That bitch folded like a piece of wet paper towel.